Okay, first one of the day, a new client with his Triumph Bonneville T100 Black. This is in for our legendary full Monty valet, and he's going with the half price added Ultimaxx ceramic. We've got a couple of days left of that special, so he's taking advantage of it. This bike is minging. He uses this daily. He had bought it new. It's a 70 plate, but never been properly protected. Such a shame because it's a lovely bike, but she has got corrosion everywhere. So we've got our work cut out for us with this. Like I said, he's going for the full Monty valet with the added ceramic addition. So we're going to get all this corrosion off here, give it a proper clean. Oh my gosh, look at that. Such a shame. We'll remove all these little bolts, clean those up, make sure to get some extra XCP in there once it's all cleaned up. Oh, got chain lube gunk everywhere. We'll get all that degreased, all that off there. We'll degrease all that old chain lube. See how all that grit in there? It just makes that chain wear even faster than it should. Get all these spokes cleaned up, and then we'll get it in the studio. I'll get my light out in a minute, but we're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all the painted bits. I'll take those side covers off, take the seat off. All this is going to get polished, and then we'll treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz ceramic. So that should help out with the black paintwork. It's so soft, this paint on modern bikes, that they scratch so easily. Let me get my light out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'll just give you a glimpse of what this paintwork is like. Oh my goodness. See all those scratches in there? He was a bit dubious about having the ceramic done until I got the light out and I explained to him. This is going to get a two-stage machine polish. I should be able to remove most all those scratches. And the ceramic, it is a self-healing ceramic, the signature quartz, so it helps with all these little scratches. Yeah, so he's convinced once I got the light out. Oh goodness, we have got our work cut out for us on this. Anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get it all washed, get it decontaminated, degreased, etc., and then we'll see what that paint looks like. Wish me luck. Go 2 hours and 45 minutes. This Triumph Bonneville T100 Black has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. What a transformation. This has had one of our legendary trot full Monty valets with the added ceramic protection. So we did a full Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. I scrubbed each and every one of those spokes, all the shocks. Everything's been meticulously cleaned. All down the front, all the burnt on tar has been removed. I said every single one of those spokes has been scrubbed. We then blow dried it all, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gears, all behind the rad. Everything's been thoroughly blow dried. We then misted it all with XCP corrosion protection. All your engine, all down the front, your rad, all your headlights, all your switch gear, everything's had a nice misting of the XCP clear. I took off these screws that were all rusty, gave them a bit of a polish up. All the motor, any extra bits and pieces that I think will corrode, had a brushing of the XCP orange. same as your shocks. And then we got down to some paint correcting. As you saw earlier, the paintwork was a right mess. I've done a 2-3 stage machine polish. Look at that, it is like a mirror. I've managed to remove all that swirling, all the scratches, side cover, tank, mud guard, headlight, even your signals have all been polished. We then prepped it and treated it to a nice coating of Ultimaxx Signature quartz, which is a 5-year self-healing ceramic. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely on point. All done, just under 3 hours. Don't forget, we're open 5 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Give us a buzz at 079 66 249 963.